Check out this 2013 Hyundai Elantra. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: traction control system, heated outside mirror, emergency trunk release, outside temperature gauge, power windows, airbag deactivation, intermittent wipers, and adjustable headrests. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.